Kito Vincent Mondano kugena Goitona ABAMENYI abumbache hanyarko bakorosirwe bareyu ereko bahage ko bakonya bono togosika mutu una nchere yamo uyo kuligereria Igoro uyo KOERIKIA kwa Abaaki Chikura meye county ya Kisii nigoli tukira lero mu commissioner bwe kiombe kyabachone chimbebe mense ya Kenya IEBC Professor Francis Adol mu basorero akoreye kana abwatani ao bwe kiombe kyemeye county ya Kisii iriko kwandara Igoro uyo muroberio bwogenderete obwo KOERIKIA abananchi una Abaaki Chikura okwana hekere kyo nigago kere mu barabwa abantu ababerkoba abagwesokia nane ase abali abarikuru ase bunge nyali bali chache yaberege ntangani nebirengo byemye yemo na 14 ase bali bali kiri chinga kye bunge nyali bali masaba yabarikoba yogosiekia ekira abantu birengo byemeronge no muboka berkoba bagwesokia nigo bono adwara berkoba ko boli abantu obesokie na KOERIKIA buna Abaaki Chikura asobonge muri kito Petro Machini asenchire yabene nigakoreta yagwika chinsemecho na gotone roboti irokobwatia
Bunenchiremo ya Goitona KOERIKIA kwa Abaaki Chikura ime county ya Kisii nigoli tukirere chuna bwe kiombe kyabachorine chimbebe mense ya Kenya IEBC Francis Adol ara Igoro na babotani irigo sanga Igoro yomuro bwo KOERIKIA Abaaki Chikura me county yo abase bunge nyari bari chache yari kirekerengo gya emya ya mona 14 Goriyemia na area ya masaba sekerengo kia emerongende neyemo.
Quite impressed about the turnout today for the meeting. The participants had a number of issues that they wanted to be clarified from IEBC, but we were also very happy to interact ourselves with them and just to understand how we can help each other. In general, we noted with quite a bit of satisfaction that the registration process is going on quite well within the county. Up to now, they have reached just a little over 60% of the target that we were looking at for this phase of registration. And in one particular constituency, I think that's the constituency of Nyaribari Chache, 114. Nyaribari Masaba actually is the opposite, at 41%. And we noted therefore that this particular constituency needed to arrangement for people to come forward and register.
Ukwana bariki nigo aduan areire n'abantu bari abataroye bibande byabo kurase cyabise abagabe bakore mulioka ere KOERIKIA buna Abaaki Chikura.
Of course, one of the very important concerns that came up was the question of relatively large number of IDs that are still held by the National Registration Bureau. The National Registration Bureau office explained that they are making every effort possible to reach out to those people who have their IDs sitting with them, and through the contacts that they have left with them. We also had a meeting with the county commissioner who clarified to us that some of the IDs that were still sitting at the National Registration Office have been dispatched right down to chiefs and assistant chiefs so that they can distribute this out to the owners to enable them to come and register as voters.
Waigo nigakwanira Igoro yogo chinche Chikura na koboria urioganite kugenda gwika sebunge area ago chinche gochi erego korabo.
The question of voter transfer has kept on coming up, not just with respect to Kisii County, but even into the other places that our other colleagues have gone to. People are asking questions why they need to go to the constituency itself to perform the voter transfer. The rule is you need to go to the constituency where you want to transfer to so that you are transferred there. You go to the constituency office for you to be transferred there. We are not encouraging people to be transferred where you are to another constituency where, for example, you are seeking to be at, and there are practical reasons for that. We fear that if we just allow people to transfer anyhow, this provision could be abused.
Na ekero murobere yo oraiko mwero stariki 25 muchenyo iga nigo murobere bwo kwerikia oragendera service cha IEBC na boige bituo bya huduma imense ya Kenya.
Nataka kuregister after ECVR. Wataweza kuregister at IEBC offices na katika vituo vya huduma, at huduma centers. Yeah. Huduma centers are going to run still for some months, I think up to 6 months, and normal voter registration is going to continue taking place at the IEBC offices.
Kuripotiria Soko TV kure county ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.